So, nasa Kawala kami. Thank you.
Thank you.
So, maghahanap kami ng mga kawala. Ayan. Ayan, may kawala dyan. So, we go here first, huh?
I guess so.
Yes, they said it's straight. So, ayan, mga kawala. Nasa kawala sila. Nasa kahoy sila. Ayan, nasa kahoy. Pero yan, plastic lang yan. Yung mga tunay, ay wala pa.
That's not a koala. It's not a koala. It's just a statue.
I know.
That one's it's not a koala.
No, just a statue.
You better tell your listeners that's not a koala.
No, it's not a koala.
It's just a statue.
Just a statue, yes. You're right. Just a statue.
Oh, I think people can camp here. Can live here.
Hmm.
We'll do that next time, huh? We'll stay in style here. Service apartments.
Okay.
Right next to the koalas.
Yeah. You think so? At pwede rin dito kayo magstay. May mga camp dito. Pwede kayo magstay. Ito yung isang kawala. Pero ano lang yan siya. Statue lang yan. Plastic lang yan. Pero makikita nyo sa mga kahoy mamaya maraming tunay na kawala.
Oh, let's just keep walking. I want to go to this sanctuary.
No.
I don't want to look at statues.
Yeah. So pwede mag-stay dito kayo. Thank you for watching.